10-4, good morning to all you guys that are down there in Tennessee and all over the place. I, the Safe Cracker, says hello and 73s to you.
Hello, Canada. Hello, Canada. 445, Mississippi. Got the video gate rolling? You're sounding good on my hill.
Aye, 10-4 on that 445 with the video gate on. I, the Safe Cracker, says we wave our hands to you guys, and it's always nice to talk to you. I, 73s, I, the Safe Cracker, said that. Aye, 10-4. Go ahead there, Tennessee. You sound pretty good there down here in my radio in Ontario, but it's a little bit overmodulated there.
Yeah, tell them to turn it down. Tell them to turn it down.
Aye, 10-4. We say good morning to you guys too there, 10-4, and I hope you have a nice day down there. I just said your modulation was too high. It's perfect right now. It's because if you want to be heard down here in Ontario, you have to be perfect there, 10-4. Alright, 10-4, you sound pretty good now there, Sam. You sound pretty good down here in Ontario. Alright, 10-4, 214. You sound pretty good in Ontario too. We wave a hand to you. Alright, the Safe Cracker, we're on the site. Well, anyway, we're on the site there, 10-4.
Hey, Safe Cracker. Hey, Safe Cracker. You got your shot? Are you gonna get a shot?
If I have what?
Have you got your COVID shot, or are you gonna get one?
No, I don't get no shot. I'm not gonna get a shot for sure. They can keep their shot, 10-4.
Yeah, 10-4. Well, me neither. Me neither. I was just wondering what they doing in Canada. 445, Mississippi. No shot. No shot.
Alright, 10-4. We have a terrible mess down here in Canada. They're really pushing it, but a lot of resistance on there. Lots of court case, 10-4.
Yeah, 10-4. Same here in Mississippi. Same in Mississippi. Lots of resistance. Alright, take care, 445. Bye-bye-bye.
Okay, have a nice day there, 445, and don't take the shot. Well, I guess it's called divide and conquer because nobody's on the radio anymore.